How to transfer money between accounts in Barclays app. First of all, open the Barclays app and log in using your usual credentials. Once you are in, look at the bottom menu and tap on Pay and Transfer. Next, tap on Transfer between accounts. You will now see a list of your linked accounts. Choose the account you want to transfer money from, then select the account you want to transfer money to. After that, enter the amount you want to transfer. You can also add a reference so you remember what the transfer was for. Then choose whether you want to send the money now or schedule it for a later date. Once everything looks good, tap Confirm, review your transfer details carefully, and then tap Confirm again to complete the transaction. Now you know how to transfer money between accounts in Barclays app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more banking tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.